Hi, my name's Steve. I'm a support worker for Wrecsam Council. So I basically came from the kitchen to support work. And obviously I predominantly worked with the elderly, so, but never with people that needed support, as in what I'm doing now. There's plenty of training. The training's there. That's not an issue. I mean, if you feel that you need more training, you just basically ask, and I'm sure they will accommodate that. I enjoy supporting the people. I think that's the most important thing, and just trying to become more independent. I think that's the biggest, not challenge, but the most rewarding bit about it, when something quite small could happen and it's like, it just gives you that big buzz, and it gives the people you support the buzz as well. So Baseline Matters, a lady called Dee, I think it's probably been running about 3 or 4 years, I think. It's for people that are over the age of 16 with autism, learning difficulties, trying to fund, the proceeds are trying to get people with gym membership or work placements and things like that. So she's looking to expand. So she's been really good. We've got Kirsty here that the support. Michelle is a volunteer. We've got about 3 or 4 guys over the week doing this, but we also have got other places in